Welcome to your tutorials. This is photography tips and getting it right in camera. This is a very short video, but it's a very important tip. You need to keep an eye on those corners. So when you are photographing, make sure that you are not just looking at your baby or the angle that you're photographing them at, but you're also checking what's going on in the background. Now, Androids have a wonderful feature called live focus, which means when you touch the area of the screen that you want in focus, and in this case that's your baby's face, the rest of the screen fades into the distance. It just blurs it out. And you can actually adjust the level of blur as well, which is really nice. But it does help with those backdrops and just smoothing out everything. So if there is a pattern to your sheet, it'll just help to blur it and fade it away into the distance, which is lovely. And all there is left to do is to make sure your exposure is right, compose your image, and take your photograph.